Hey guys, I wanted to update you all about the new version of software that we are releasing today. This is version 3.38. A couple really cool features that I want to call out. First off, we have sped up the boot up times. When you start your machine, it's going to be about 4 times faster than what you're used to. Now, if you have tons, thousands of songs and set lists, then it will take a little bit longer to load, but just know it is going to be about 4 times faster. We also created a new shortcut for when you create set lists directly on the box. If you're having to go to a certain song to add to your set list, you can actually type a capital letter of what that song starts with. So if the song is Zombie, you do a capital Z, it'll drop you right down to the Z's. It could be a huge time saver when you're creating your set list. We have a few bug fixes. Our biggest bug fix is in wireless sync. Now, this is for those of you who have multiple boxes where you have one person in charge of turning the pages for everybody. There was a networking issue. We've addressed that. A couple things to point out there. If you do use wireless sync, you're going to make sure that you set one as the controller, you set the other one as the receiver, or the other ones as the receiver if you have multiple. And all of the boxes prompters must have the same set list and the same songs for them to sync properly. They need to be the same font size as well. And if you need to reboot, you need to get back on Wi-Fi, then you'll need to shut down the box and start it back up to get back on Wi-Fi, because it does create a local network when you do set up wireless. But I wanted to call that out. There were a few other minor bug fixes that we addressed in this release, using a bracket page as a break to handle additional characters. There was an issue when you typed in an IP address using the number 1 when we're trying to sync with OnSong, and it would kick you out. So we fixed that. And then we also updated some of the messaging in the menus, namely around the mirroring. So if you haven't heard by now, you can actually physically mirror your phone, your smartphone, your iPhone, your iPad. There is a $99 connection kit to make sure you have the capture card and all that. But you can mirror whatever favorite app you have, as long as it supports HDMI through the USB-C. So we changed up some of the wording there just to make it a little bit more concise, especially around number 7, like adjust the tablet size when mirroring, because sometimes it can get a little distorted or zoomed out too much or zoomed in too much, and so we have a way for you to adjust that so you get just the way you like it. But as always, if you have any questions, please hit us up over at blackboxprompter.com/support. And then always remember, these updates are always free. When you do run them, do not ever shut them down during the middle of an update. That could void the warranty and can also cause permanent damage. Let it run its course. It could take 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes if it's been a while since you've updated your box. So just be patient, let it do its thing. Just go grab some coffee or lunch or something while it does it. But it can take 15 minutes or longer if needed, depending on the age of the last update. But hope that helps. And again, hit us up if you have any questions. blackboxprompter.com. Take care.